Hello, my name is Meiling Gauberghausen, and I'm working for the Institute of Transport Studies at the University of Natural Resource and Life Science in Vienna, Austria, and I was the campaign manager of the Viennese Switch campaign. In Vienna, we were conducting the Switch campaign with people who recently moved houses or who received a medical advice to increase the physical activity level or experienced another life change moment within the household structure within the last 12 months. As no contact data of these people was available, it was very important to have local partners who supported us by distributing information on the Switch project via their communication channels, but also by providing information and incentives which we could offer on the so-called service sheet. But also other partners like real estate agents, doctors, hospitals, insurance companies, or sport clubs supported us during the campaign. In addition, we announced the campaign in different articles and via social media, and our interviewers started to visit different events and new housing projects to get with potential participants directly into contact. So at the end of the recruitment process, we were able to reach more than 1,500 participants. From these 1,500 participants, almost 1,000 people ordered different information material, ordered a side event, or were interested in a PTP talk or PTP plan. In total, we distributed more than 3,700 different pieces of maps, brochures, or information on different ICTs. And the most popular ones were different maps on walking, hiking, and cycling. After the campaign, we tried to reach these people again, and we asked them some questions on their travel behavior, and compared these answers with answers we collected before the campaign was implemented. And the very positive result was that people who received information on active mobility increased their walking and cycling trips and correspondingly decreased their car trips. Thank you very much for your attention.